Hey everyone, welcome back to the Social Commerce Podcast. I'm Jake.
And I'm Madison. And today we're talking about how social commerce has literally rewired demand.
Yeah, this isn't one more channel stuff. We're talking about a space projected at between $2.1 and $2.6 trillion globally in 2026.
And over $100 billion just in the US. That's wild. And a lot of that is driven by what looks like mindless scrolling on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Except it's not mindless at all. It's a full-blown shopping ecosystem.
So in this episode, we're going to unpack three big things for you. How we moved from search to scroll. How platforms like TikTok, Meta, and YouTube each play different roles. And what you can actually do about this as a student or early career marketer.
If you're working on a class project, building a side hustle, or heading into an internship soon, this conversation is basically your cheat sheet.
Chapter 1. From Search to Scroll. The $2 trillion shift. All right, let's start with what changed. Traditional e-commerce was built on intention. I know I want a thing, I go search for that thing, then I buy it.
Right. The classic path was search, website, buy. You type running shoes, click a result, compare a bit, then add to cart.
But social commerce flips that. It's not what do I want to buy, it's what deserves my attention right now. The path is scroll, discover, buy an app.
Think about your last impulse purchase from TikTok. You weren't hunting for a product. You were watching a creator you like or a live stream, and suddenly you're like, oh, I need that phone light skincare hoodie in my life, right now.
Black Friday is a perfect example. Instead of people just going to brand websites, a ton of the action happens inside TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, on live shopping events, creator posts, shoppable videos.
And that shift didn't happen by accident. There are four big forces behind it, and they show up in almost every feed. Creator commerce. Creators are basically the new storefronts. They're the discovery engine and the trust layer. When someone you follow for years says, I actually use this, that's powerful. Generational behavior. Gen Z and millennials grew up on social. For them, it's totally normal that the same place they chat, meme, and scroll is also where they shop. Live shopping. It's like QVC 2.0, but interactive. You can comment, ask questions, get answers, and buy in real time. AI-driven personalization. The algorithms are scary good. Your For You page or Reels feed is already tuned to your tastes, so the products you see feel almost inevitable.
When you combine those four, creators, generational habits, live shopping, and AI personalization, you get what I like to call permanent discovery mode. There's always something new, one swipe away.
And this is where Gary Vaynerchuk's point comes in. These platforms aren't just discovery channels anymore. They're point-of-purchase environments. That's a huge mindset shift.
For your class projects, that means you can't think of social as just top-of-funnel brand awareness. Your entire journey can happen inside the feed.
Exactly. You don't just run an ad to drive traffic to a website. You design content that can capture attention, build trust, answer objections in the comments, and close the sale, all in one place.
Chapter 2. Platforms and Playbooks. TikTok, Meta, YouTube in real life. Let's talk about the big three players right now. TikTok, Meta, and YouTube. Same user, same phone, but each platform plays a different role in social commerce.
Start with TikTok. Its superpower is discovery and virality. TikTok Shop plus creator partnerships make it this crazy powerful engine for, I didn't know I wanted this, but now I do.
Picture this. A creator goes live doing a get ready with me for finals week, and they're using a certain desk lamp, some snacks, maybe a study planner. There are links on screen, coupons tied to the live, and in 1 hour they've sold out a product without anyone leaving the app.
Then you have Meta, Instagram, and Facebook. Their strength is infrastructure and breadth. Instagram shopping, product tags and posts and stories. Facebook Marketplace. They're great for turning existing brand demand into easy in-app purchases.
Instagram is like the polished showroom where everything is tagged and easy to click. Maybe you already follow the brand. You see a reel highlighting a new drop. You tap the product tag, boom, checkout inside IG.
And YouTube brings something different, long-form trust building. Think about deep product reviews, day in the life with this gadget, tutorials, unboxings.
Yeah, and now you've got shopping integrations and creator storefronts directly on YouTube. So the video that convinced you can also be where you buy, or at least where you click into a buying journey without friction.
Across all three, something big is happening. They're becoming closed-loop retail ecosystems. Discovery, validation, purchase, and loyalty, all inside the same platform.
Which leads us to one of my favorite ideas from the module, the shift from funnel to feed. The old funnel is like, step 1, awareness. Step 2, consideration. Step 3, purchase. Very neat, very linear.
But in a feed, all of that collapses into a single scrolling experience. Discovery happens instantly, a single post or live. Consideration happens in the comments. Real people, real questions, real receipts. Purchase happens in-app with shoppable tags and native checkout. Post-purchase engagement still lives there. Reviews, UGC, follow-up content, DMs.
Shopping becomes content. Content becomes shoppable. I love that line.
Same. But what do you do with this as a student or junior marketer? The module gives us 4 strategic imperatives for 2026, and we'll translate them into actions you can take. Closed-loop commerce. Strategy idea? Minimize click-out moments. Student move. In your class campaigns, prioritize native tools, IG product tags, TikTok shop links, YouTube product shelves, before sending people to an external site. Creator-led branding. Strategy idea. Treat creators as co-developers and distributors, not just paid ad slots. Student move. For a project or internship, design a brief with a creator in mind. Here's the product, here's your style. How would you naturally bring this to your audience? AI-driven shopping. Strategy idea. Assume personalization is baseline, not a nice-to-have. Student move. Even if you don't control the algorithm, you can test different hooks, thumbnails, captions, to see what the platform prefers and what your micro-audience responds to. Entertainment plus retail fusion. Strategy idea. The best content feels like a show, not a catalog. Student move. Pitch a mini live shopping event or a weekly Try With Me series, instead of just static product posts. Think challenges, countdowns, limited drops.
If you're building a portfolio, imagine how strong it looks to say, we ran a TikTok live series with creator partners using native checkout, and we optimized across 3 different hooks the algorithm responded to.
That's the kind of language that makes hiring managers go, okay, they get it.
Chapter 3, Relationships, Roles, and What to Do Next. Underneath all the tech, AI, live shopping, platform tools, the heart of social commerce is relationships.
Traditional marketing chased transactions. Social commerce builds relationships first, and then lets transactions follow.
That's why authenticity beats polish. Vulnerability beats perfection. Real customers beat glossy campaigns.
If you're working on a class project, ask, are we showing a perfect brand fantasy, or are we showing real people using this in real life? UGC, behind the scenes, honest reviews, that stuff wins.
Also, give value before you ask for anything. Teach something, entertain, solve a tiny problem, then ask for a click or a purchase.
And don't just think in terms of one-off conversions. Play for loyalty. What would make someone want to see your content every week, not just during a sale?
Now there's another big question from the module. Who owns social commerce? And the honest answer is everyone and no one.
It touches every stage of the journey, so multiple roles are involved. The CMO is thinking brand strategy and creator partnerships. The CDO, Chief Data Officer, is making sure you have the data and AI infrastructure to personalize. The CTO is dealing with integrations, APIs, payment systems, so the tech actually works. The CCO, Chief Customer Officer, is focused on community, customer experience, and feedback loops.
If you're a student, you might be like, that sounds very C-suite, not me. but it does matter for you.
Because one of the biggest threats to social commerce success is siloed thinking. Marketing does its thing, tech does its thing, data does its thing, customer support does its thing. No one talks.
In your group projects or early jobs, you can already practice the opposite. When you're designing a social commerce idea, ask, who's measuring this? Who owns the customer comments and DMs? What happens after someone buys? Who's following up?
Just asking those questions puts you in the mindset of cross-functional collaboration. That's a leadership habit, not just a marketing tactic.
Looking ahead, the module talks about what's coming. More platform specialization, deeper creator partnerships, immersive live shopping, AR try-ons, virtual storefronts, and smarter measurement.
But here's the line I'd write on a sticky note. The question isn't just, does this convert? It's, does this build something real?
So here's our challenge to you as we wrap up. Audit your own feeds. Today, scroll TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube and screenshot 3 posts that are clearly social commerce. Ask, what makes them feel native? Where's the relationship piece? Design one native experiment. For a class, side hustle, or just for fun, plan a small test. A live stream, a creator collab, or a shoppable short that keeps people in platform and focuses on trust first. Ask the ownership question. Next time you're on a team project, ask, who's in charge of the community side of this? Who's watching the comments and DMs? Start thinking like someone who sees the whole ecosystem.
If you do just those 3 things, you're already operating at a different level than most beginners. You're not just posting, you're designing for the feed and for the relationship.
Social commerce isn't a trend you can ignore until you graduate. It's literally the environment you're going to be building your career in.
So lean in now, experiment while the stakes are low, and pay attention to what actually builds something real with people, not just what gets a quick click.
That's it for today's episode on platform strategies for social commerce. I'm Jake.
I'm Madison. Thanks for hanging out with us, and go design something that belongs in the feed and in a real relationship.